Goan people is there a tie-up between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP? Is there a tie-up between Congress and BJP? Both these parties are playing the fool with the people of Goa. Congress and Aam Aadmi Party are playing the fool with the people of Goa. No, the president of Aam Aadmi Party has not spoken anything against it. The president of the Congress Party has not spoken anything against this. So I don't know what the Goan person is supposed to do, a Goan voter, what he's supposed to do. There is so much anti-incumbency now. People are fed up with whatever is happening here. People are waiting to change the government, but these people are playing the fool.
MGP आणि BJP टायप झाले
Yes.
तर हे काँग्रेस भिता टायप करपाक दिसता
So ते कोणाकडे उलयता बट जाता जाल्यार येन्ना तर जावंक जाय न्हू केन्ना रावले तुमी सी देर वॉज अ टायम एंड काँग्रेस कुड गिव लास्ट मिनिट टिकेट काँग्रेस कुड टेक डिसिजन लास्ट मिनिट आतां जायना न्हू यू नॉट इन पावर तुमकां आमकां 99 सिटां वयर पळय सेंटराक मेवल्या देट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द अलायन्स जाला म्हणून इफ यू नॉट गोइंग टू हॅव ए अलायन्स हांगा तुमकां 5 मेळपाची ना सिटां यू हॅव टू डिसायड ना जाल्यार येन्ना तर तयारी करा न्हू कितें करता पळय ती You cannot just come have functions with BJP. Aam Aadmi Party cannot go on praising the government here, and your party president is just quiet about the whole thing. So that is sending a wrong signal to the people of Goa. There is the unity. आता unity कोत्तलो जाल्यार कोण एक lead घेवंक जाय न्हू. Maybe Congress as a bigger party, Congress should take the lead. Where is the lead? There's nobody taking the lead. आता विजयान कितें mistake केली, and I think Vijay should come to the people and clear his this. तो गेलाच BJP वारी. There is people, the resentment is there towards this, but at this moment, I think Vijay is needed in that opposition alliance. Vijayची गरज आहे हितून, and they should get together. If Vijay thinks that he has done a mistake, he should come to the people, explain to the people why he did whatever he did. But there is a need to come together now. But तेच सांगता न्हू. If not, then I think all the people, like I mentioned just a few names, which माझ्या तोंडाक येयल्या पळय ते राजाराव and because these are the people I read this, whatever they write, I listen to them, and they come out as people who are interested in Goa.